Hello everyone. This is my Sprout Stage 3 Organic Baby Food Pouches review. First, the ingredient list comforts me. It's USDA, organic, and non-GMO, and I saw no fillers or preservatives. The flavor is mild, but pleasant. Your little ones would accept it easily. You can taste the root veggies and apple, with just enough beef presence to make it hearty without being overwhelming. The texture is smooth and easy for babies who are transitioning to more solid foods. There are no weird lumps or grittiness, just a nice puree. One of my favorite parts is that the pouch format is super convenient for on-the-go feeding. I can squeeze it out quickly without needing bowls or spoons. A small note, because it's an organic and clean formulation, the seasoning is not ultra strong, so if your baby is used to bold flavors, it may take a minute to adjust. Also, like any fresh baby food, use it fairly quickly once opened. Overall, this Sprout pouch is a solid option for stage 3 eating. Clean, convenient, baby-friendly, and reliable. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.